graph the inequality. So the inequality in this problem is x plus 4y less than or equal to 4. So when we're graphing an inequality, whenever you have a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to, you always have a solid line. So we first graph x plus 4y equals 4, and we use a solid line because we have an equal to part here. If it was this or this, it would be a dotted line. So we have to graph this equation. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to click this, click to enlarge graph, and I'm going to pick the correct graph. So we know it's a line, so I'll pick the line tool. Then it says click the graph to plot your first point on the line. So we need a point on the line, so I'm going to come back over here. And to find a point on the line, all we have to do is plug in a nice number. For example, let's plug in y equals 0. When y equals 0, we get x plus 4 times 0 equals 4. So we get x equals 4. So one of our points will be 4, 0. It's probably going to ask for another point, so let's go ahead and plug in another number. How about x equals 0? So when x equals 0, you get 0 plus 4y equals 4, and then so y equals 1, because you divide by 4. So the point here would be 0, 1. Okay, so we have 2 points, and now we can draw our line. The reason I pick these is because they're easy. Like, you just set y equal to 0 and x equal to 0, and usually that will work. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this problem. So here it looks like we have a choice between a dotted and a solid line. We know it's solid because we had the equal to part. It was less than or equal to, and we need 2 points. So let's see. So 0, 1 is going to be right there. So I'm going to click it. Oh, look. It says it in the top right. Well, right here. See, right here it tells you what the point is. So 0, 1. And then 4, 0 is right here. Right there. Okay. Now we have to shade. So you see this little bucket icon here? So you have to click this little bucket icon. And because it was less than, we're going to shade down here. If it was greater than, you want to use the bucket up here. So less than for straight lines is below, greater than is above. So it's less than, so I'm going to click down here. Boom! Click save. The little bucket stays there. It's kind of funny. A cute little bucket. Click check answer. Hurrah! We got it right. So that worked. Hope that made sense.